Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Floating and Fluttering bundle. So here's the Floating and Fluttering bundle. It has this grouping of butterflies and it has all these great stamps that you can use to color in the butterflies, as well as detailed stamps to color in the butterflies as well. And then it's got this great little label that you can cut out as well, and it's got this detailed embossed butterfly that you can cut. So it's a really nice bundle. It also has two of these dies that you can use to cut this out. So it's really nice to have two. So basically I've already stamped the butterflies and I've stamped them in Magenta Madness and Misty Moonlight, and I've cut them out using these individual dies. So there's individual dies as well. So I cut them out using these dies, this one and then this individual one right here. And then I've stamped the label and cut that out with this die. And I've got a piece of vellum that I'm going to use, but first I'm going to stamp this cute little pattern in Just Jade across the card. So I've got this cute little pattern here that I'm just going to randomly stamp across the card. To create a background. I'll do one over here, one down here. That should be good. Now I'm going to put some adhesive in the middle where it will not be seen, and then I can place the vellum on top. It's right in the center there. And then I'll use dimensionals to pop this up. Let's do two. Dimensionals for the butterflies, and then I stamped the Sending a Little Smile Your Way from a different stamp set and embossed it. And these are kind of off the page here, so I did a double dimensional here. So I did one regular and then I did one mini. So I'll show you what I did. So let's add this magenta butterfly first, and then I will put a mini over here on this side, because it will be off the edge of the label, and I will put it over here, kind of line it up with that so that it's there. And I'll do the same thing with this one and put this over here like that, and then we'll put mini dimensionals on this. And we will finish our card. And this is just a little cute butterfly card that we could give to someone who needs a little smile, a little pick-me-up. I'm offering this free card kit with these cards. You'll get 6 total of these 3 designs, 2 of each. You just need to make a $30 purchase by going to my website and using this January host code, and then emailing me and letting me know that you would like the Floating and Fluttering bundle card kit. Or if you order the bundle, you can request the card kit for free as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.